Mr. Speaker, going by the mood of the House, could the mover be called to reply? Because more or less, there is a mood already in the House.
Honorable Kapondi,
yes.
We have heard you, but allow Honorable Ndindi Nyoro to finish. Yes, what's your point of order, Leader?
Honorable Speaker, I am also waiting to contribute. So I do not know which mood the Honorable Kapondi is reading, what mood this is. And Honorable Kapondi must realize that he is interrupting the newest party leader in the country. And he must respect party leaders. He might be his party leader. And he should allow the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro, the party leader of his party, I don't remember the name, to finish his very good contribution. He had a very good contribution. And we must protect the rights of the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro to speak in this House. I know he is being stopped from speaking elsewhere, but in this House, we must protect him. He must speak.
Honorable Speaker, proceed.
Before I continue, and with all due respect to my to a member of Parliament for Kikuyu, I said the other day that I am willing to accept all the congratulatory messages from all Kenyans, but you must leave the Uhuru Party first. You denounce it so that Kenyans can accept your congratulatory messages. You first leave the government that is offering insecurity to the people. Honorable Speaker, we now have a government, instead of offering security to the Kenyan people in meetings, like the one we had in Homa Bay, it is the government paying goons, Honorable Speaker, to dismantle the Kenyan people, Honorable Speaker. And this is the reason why I want to say, Honorable Speaker, that any member of Parliament.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Ndindi has just walked in. Maybe he doesn't know what we are discussing now. We are not discussing Homa Bay. The discussion that is ongoing is nothing to do with Homa Bay. So I kindly request you to desist. And if you want to discuss Homa Bay, then table something here, we discuss Homa Bay. But you can't just speak about insecurity in Homa Bay, insecurity in Homa Bay. You are not even there to start with. So what are you telling the House here? Homa Bay is a peaceful county. We are neighbors with Homa Bay. We've never had such events until your brothers from the other side of, I don't know where, came and brought their goons there. So leave Homa Bay out of this discussion.
Okay. Honorable Ndindi. Honorable Ndindi, proceed with your discussion.
You are a very good speaker, Honorable Speaker, and it is very clear to the members of the citizens of Kenya who elected Honorable Fatuma that even beyond knowing the rules of this House, it seems she actually never even attended the orientation, because she could have known that I have liberty to debate the way I want, Honorable Speaker, as far as I'm within the confines of the debate. It is important, Honorable Speaker, for members of Parliament, even if you have no content to contribute, at the very least, attend the orientation so that you don't embarrass yourself to the people of Kenya who are watching. The second thing, Honorable Speaker, that I want to finish with, one, Honorable Speaker, is that for a good, functional, modern state to function, there are three important things that are very important, Honorable Speaker. One is the rule of law. Second is the accountability through democracy. But Honorable Speaker, also number three, is strong institutions of the state. And the reason I'm saying that, Honorable Speaker, all Kenyans try to live very harmoniously. So we are a very good nation, and especially where us as politicians are not exploiting the systems that exist. But Honorable Speaker, what is failing miserably in this country is the guarantee the people of Kenya should have when it comes to the government offering security, the basic of government, Honorable Speaker, to the people of Kenya. The government, the state has failed Kenya's, Honorable Speaker, and I hope IPOA will step up its course, Honorable Speaker, so that we continue, and especially to give Kenyans security as they interact with each other, as they attend meetings, and the government must stop meting violence to the Kenyan people and instead protect them and honor them, Honorable Speaker. I submit.